What if I told you after 16 years of trying to find the perfect pillow to sleep on, that I finally found it? And I don't take those words for granted now. I have owned about 15 name brand pillows that run from Tempur-Pedic, Sealy, BioSense, everything in between that has existed in the world, trying to find the perfect pillow that gives me that memory foam neck support like a contour, because I finally ended up with the Tempur-Pedic contour pillow as being my favorite ever made. But the sweat would reside there because memory foam just loves that heat, and then you just end up sweating on that. But for me, the contour neck pillow was the only way to go, and the Tempur-Pedic one was the best. And it was probably one of the most expensive, being, $120 or something like that. But this pillow here, this SpaceFoam pillow, has been able to achieve greatness. It's been able to replicate and mimic memory foam with super bounce back retention. Bounce back instantly fast. So that whenever you're moving, this expands out immediately, and when you move back, it's there to cushion you and bring you back, but push back in areas under the neck. So it gives that contour-like pillow feeling while sinking in just enough and pushing up here just enough to contour to keep your spine correct, because you want to keep an alignment for your spine. It's going to make you feel the most comfortable. It's going to be the best and healthiest sleep pattern for you to follow, okay? And in this natural position here, it just pushes up behind my neck and allows that natural arch of my neck that I respected and loved from the contour pillow. Because your contour neck pillows work left and right, sleeping on your left or right side, because it comes in and contours up to your neck to keep your spine aligned. And it also works like this to contour up below the back of your neck and to keep your spine, that good curvature of your spine whenever you're sleeping on your back. And I know I'm doing a weird review like this and it's kind of awkward for both of us, but we're just going to get through it because I think this is super important for you to know these things about these pillows, okay? And this pillow, this fabric right through here is insanely soft, slick, breathes like crazy. It's just so slick. There's no drag to this pillow at all, and that adds to the breathability of it. It's thick. This is the king size pillow. It's super thick, and you don't dive down. Like, you will not make it all the way down. I think I'm like here now. My head is somewhere down here. So you'll never bottom out this pillow, which is not the case with other leading brands. Like, you end up bottoming out the pillow. That just happens. It's a thing. And but this is just fantastic. And you can unzip this and clean it. The only downside that I've been able to find is the pillowcase. This stuff is so slick, your pillowcase just wants to slide right out of the thing. But you can sleep with it like this and just unzip this and wash this. So now that we see how this acts, hope you can see this really good right here, okay? How that just contours. This raises up right behind my neck. And here, let me go like that. Hopefully you can see the edge, how this works. But from tip to tip, no matter where you go on this thing, it works and it produces exactly what you want to produce. And it's just amazing that I finally found the perfect pillow. So let's go look at it. Okay, so here is this glorious pillow. And this stuff is so dense. It's just amazing. But the cool thing is when I press here, all these little holes that are inside just rushes my hand with air. It's just, but it's absolutely amazing that they were able to get this retention this fast. Most memory foam, you push it, and after a while it would rise back up. But this has the delay and the pushback of memory foam, of true, actual memory foam from like Tempur-Pedic, It has that feeling, but it just bounces back incredibly fast. It's insane. And everything about this pillow feels fantastic. It says SpaceFoam here. Comes in a nice canister container. They're really gaining ground right now, like super fast ground, which is fantastic. We'll unzip this and I'll show you a little bit of the interior of this stuff. It unzips really well, really fast once I get it started. And there it goes. But we can see this mix. See the swirl of a mix of gel, some kind of magical goodness in here, but you can see the swirls coming through. You can see the air vents, which matter. Here's your tag here. It's on the inside, not the outside. And I probably slept on this tag and it didn't bother me, but you could probably just cut that out once you retain how you should take care of this. But the finished size is 15 inches by 31 inches, just so you know, 38 centimeters by 79 centimeters. It's 2 pounds, 3.5 ounces of the weight, net weight of this. The cover is 58% olefin and 42% polyester. I hope I said that correctly. The gusset is 100% polyester and the filling is 100% gel polyurethane foam. It's what this is made out of. But the way that they were able to engineer this is a spectacle in itself, because like I've said, I've owned 15 name brand pillows that has never been able to achieve what this has been able to achieve for me. Like my neck, I'll be stiff and everything if I even attempt to sleep on a regular pillow. I just can't do it. I have to have a contour neck pillow and it has to be a Tempur-Pedic. And this has just blown me away. Hold that thought, we'll compare these, my two favorite pillows. Okay, so here is the Tempur-Pedic one, the one that I gush over my adult life now. It's been the best. I bought, I don't know, like a decade ago, a Tempur-Pedic mattress, and it come with a contour one, and I just wanted, I could become obsessed with pillows after that. I was like, I want to find the best pillow. Is this the best pillow for me? And it ended up being the absolute best for me. But you can see how this just will lose its shape so fast, and then take a while. It's not back yet. It's still not back to its original shape. Slowly rubbing out, rising up here. It's getting there. I still feel the indentation here. It's not back yet. Maybe back now, I don't know. But the fact is, when you're sleeping on this, you get that contour there, but that will just die down as the memory foam reacts to your body heat, and then you left with, like, of course, some extra support here, but then your head is like that far off the back. But it's just, you know, a collapsible mess. So if we go over to the SpaceFoam, you still get that same collapse, but it just snaps back so hard, so fast, feels so dense, so gooey, not really gooey, but it just feels great. It's just hard to, it has to do with the fabric, allowing the air to pass through it, and just being super slick and airy on the fabric end of it, but also airy with the holes, and whatever mix they have for this gel is just fantastic. I mean, it just springs back to its original shape so fast, and that is what adds to the beauty of it. But yeah, like, give it a shot, and I promise that you'll love it, like, no doubt, like I do. It has become my #1 favorite pillow. You can ask my wife. I've had this thing for, I think, over a month now, probably like 2 months, and I really wanted to test it out. I have never once, even from the very beginning, woke up with any kind of neck pain, head pain, anything at all. No snoring issues, like from my head being tilted forward too far or anything like that. My head cradles into it, pushes back with neck support, and I probably end up having a better contour experience with a non-contour pillow with the SpaceFoam. Be sure to explode on that subscribe button and ding that dong so you get notified on the next fantastic and above beyond belief product I'm able to find you. The link for this will be down in the description. I'll try to grab a discount code or something for you if I can get a hold of one. It won't be my own personal, but I'll try to scour around and find some. If I don't, this is still worth the full retail price. Just give it a shot. I'm telling you, it'll change the way you sleep, and if I can help provide you a better way to do that, because that is so important, then that's going to make my day. See ya.